Hello dear friend, what's the advantage for our this newest model tension parts? Let me explain to you. First, as you know, the monofilament, if without any tension parts such this one or such this one, and then the size will be changed after 4 or 6 hours. The size will be changed. If with these parts and with the big bobbin, maybe 3 days, the size will need to change one time. So your technician need to adjust this speed for control the tension come from the bobbin. And with our this newest model, it's no need to do anything to adjust any parts. The tension always keep the same tension. So it's a very big difference with the old model. And with this model, the consumption parts will be changed easily. For example, this is the speed controller. And the controller, if it's good, maybe you can use 1 year, 2 years. But if it's not good quality, maybe several months will be broken. And also, these parts, after some time use, will be wear easily. And its battery, for downside, this has the one part which control the position. And these parts, if for the size, the tension is not standable and always shaking. For the China blend parts, we can say the position changing control parts. The parts for the China blend maybe can run about 5,000 times. For the Japan brand, maybe can run 10,000 times. So it's easy broken also if the tension is not standard. But with our these parts, there's not this problem anymore. And also behind this wheel, there is a motor. And this motor, the electricity is 1 hour is about 0.1 degree kW. Okay, but with our this one, look at here. If I run, you see, electronical is coming. You see, so it means this part is with the self electronical power collecting system. And then 1 hour only 0.01 kW. But this one is about 0.1 kW. So you can save the electronical charge also. My friend, look at here. Another thing is, you see here has many, you like a ruler, okay. This one is about 0.01 mm. For example, if here is about 4, the size is 4. Here is 3.99. So it's the 0.01 mm for one. Okay, you can understand. And you see, if for the number 3 to number 4, you put it here. And for number 5 to number 7, you put here. Number 8 to number 10, you put here. So where you need to put, you should check, your technician will check the size. After he fits this, so these parts will control by itself, change the tension size by itself, and change the speed by itself. What does it mean? Okay, let's go back here. So as I say to you, if the tension is not good after 3 days or 2 days, 4 days, then your technician need to adjust these parts. But with our this one, no need to do anything because here has the sense inside, has the sense parts. So once you fixing the size here, these parts will control the tension, will control the speed by itself. Okay, so that is the very big difference between the old model tension parts and our QQ newest model tension parts. If you are interested to get more details, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.